girls, what's going on? Can I tell you something? Yes. Can we go outside? No, it's raining. Oh. Maybe we can bake a cake? Yes. Let me go and tell. Hey, Lily, what's going on? Come and bake a cake. Find out. So what do you want? Oops. I want a cake. A cake made of what? Strawberry. Okay. A cake is already inside the oven. I'm gonna pick another cake. This one. Oop. I make one for this one. I will cook it later. Let's put this one on it and put this one inside. Now let's wait until it cooks. Let me go and check the first cake. The first one is done. Take blue. Thank you. And now the second one. It's delicious. Now the blue one. The blue one later. The last one. Now let me wait. Done. Take, Mary.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And now the last one. This one too is done. Take Sophia.
Thank you.
Now I can go and have a nap.
Okay.